In this video, I will show to get free VPS. This is Axon Cloud. This gives you free VPS and paid VPS. So first join their Discord, link in Discord and comment, pin. After joining, check their TUS. After completely check their rules, like there's normal rules like no spam, no harmful and bad things, respect all and all. After that, you can check their infrastructures. They have 3 to 5 infrastructure. They have Proxmox VPS, also AMD EPYC to Intel Xeon, Platinum 8 480 plus 96 gigabytes memory. Down you can see offers, links, statue, alert, announcement, update, changelog, giveaway. Currently, they don't have MC plan, and only they have paid VPS and 599 Indian rupees. You can get 6 core and 24 gigabytes, RAM and 70 gigabytes disk, and 5 terabytes bandwidth. And check their payment method. Down of that free announcement and MC free plan that coming soon, but they have free VPS plan. In 5 invite, you can get 4 gigabytes RAM VPS, and in 20 invite you can get 16 gigabytes RAM VPS. And boost plan, also they have up to 4 vCPU, 24 gigabytes RAM, 100 gigabytes SSD. After boosting, you inviting create ticket under reward claim and tell them you have Compla equals I did your invite you boost, I need want VPS. Give your username to get username. Come to their free VPS panel and click on Get Started and put your username and email address and put a strong and password and conform again and click on Create Account and go to Login page and put username and password and login to Panlay after login, copy user and give to them. After that refresh page, you will see your VPS. Click on My VPS and click on Manage and go down. You will see Generate SSH. So click on that and paste it in the command prompt and click Q or Control plus C. And here we go, you got your VPS and you can use. I will install NeoFetch before that apt update and after updating. Use apt install NeoFetch-Y if you want better and best performance. So check out their paid plans. Bye bye, see you in next video, like and subscribe.